So are you maybe looking for a way to streamline your business, get ahead without getting totally bored down in complex new tech?
Yeah, that seems to be the big question for a lot of people right now.
Well, you're in the right place then. Today we're doing a deep dive into ASYW. It's a platform that's really focused on simplifying how artificial intelligence gets integrated into the everyday workings of a business.
And our discussion today, it's drawing from some interesting points made in episode 2, how ASYW's AI tools update 3.txt. That was from the Tech Talks Business Innovation podcast.
Exactly. And our goal here really is to pull out the essential info about ASYW for you understand how their approach, this blend of AI tools and integration services, could potentially be a real asset for businesses, maybe like yours, making AI feel more accessible and, well, actually effective.
Okay, so where should we start? Maybe the core problem they're trying to solve.
Good idea. Let's talk about that central challenge lots of businesses seem to run into, getting different AI tools to actually work with everything else they already have set up.
Precisely. You might find some really quite impressive AI applications out there, but often they just operate in isolation, don't they?
Yeah, like in their own little bubbles.
Exactly. They don't connect smoothly with your current systems, and that really limits the potential for any kind of significant, across-the-board improvement.
And this is where ASYW's approach gets, well, interesting. From what we've gathered, they aren't just selling a bunch of separate AI tools.
Right. It sounds like they've built a whole platform where the AI tools are designed kind of from the ground up to integrate directly into your operations.
Not just bolted on afterward.
Not as separate add-ons. This focus on, let's call it built-in integration, that seems absolutely fundamental to what they're offering.
It's a key differentiator, it seems. Because while lots of companies offer AI features now,
the real hurdle for businesses often is the practical side, making it all work together smoothly.
yeah, the plumbing.
Right. And ASYW seems to have really pinpointed that as the issue and made it central. They provide the AI, yes, but also the means to actually weave it into your existing workflows.
Okay, so one area that was really highlighted in the source material specifically was their AI-powered marketing automation. Could you maybe unpack that a bit? How are they using AI there?
Sure. So they're applying AI to streamline a lot of those routine but still really essential marketing tasks.
Like what, for instance?
Well, think about crafting and sending out email campaigns, managing your social media schedule, engaging with customers online, all that stuff.
Okay, yeah. All crucial activities, definitely, but they can eat up a huge amount of time and energy for a marketing team.
Exactly. Those are precisely the kinds of repetitive, high-volume tasks where AI, if integrated well, could really free up people and, boost efficiency significantly.
Makes sense.
And the key thing here, according to the podcast we looked at, is that it goes beyond just basic automation. It's not just scheduling posts. Well, the AI is apparently designed to learn and adapt. It looks at the performance data from different campaigns and adjusts things accordingly.
Ah, okay. So over time, your marketing efforts should actually become more targeted, more effective.
That's the promise. It's not just about setting up a sequence and letting it run forever.
Right. The AI is continuously refining and improving things behind the scenes. I think their materials used a phrase like marketing starting to run like clockwork.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Effortlessly turning prospects into repeat customers. It's a pretty compelling idea for any business, I'd imagine.
Definitely. And if we think about how that might directly benefit you listening, well, consider the potential for reducing how much it costs to get a new customer.
And also strengthening the relationships you already have with your existing customers. Better retention.
That's a powerful combination, isn't it? Acquisition costs down, loyalty up.
It really is. It puts a fresh perspective on traditional marketing automation tools. We've had those for a while, sure.
But this AI intelligence layer promises to make them much more potent, right? And potentially with less constant manual tweaking needed from the team.
Exactly. So seeing how ASYW applies this integrated AI to marketing, it's kind of interesting to step back and see how it reflects a bigger trend in the industry.
What do you mean?
Well, we're seeing this shift, aren't we? Away from just standalone AI apps towards solutions that are really deeply embedded within business processes.
Right. True transformation doesn't just come from having AI somewhere in the building.
It comes from how seamlessly it's woven into how you actually work.
Exactly. Having cool AI tools is one thing. But if they can't talk to each other or work with the rest of your operations, you're just not unlocking their full potential.
And the podcast makes it pretty clear that ASYW is prioritizing that crucial combo. Providing the advanced AI capabilities, sure, but also the expertise to make sure they integrate effectively.
With a strong focus, it seems, on boosting marketing capabilities.
So if you're listening and thinking about how to, modernize your business operations using AI, especially the marketing side, the source material specifically points towards ASYW.com. That's why they say you can explore this further. They highlight their AI integration services and the AI-powered tools they offer.
Got it. That's ASYW.com, ASYW.com. And the Tech Talks episode mentioned their site has details on streamlining that marketing automation piece and helping convert prospects into loyal customers.
Yeah, and it sounds like you can request a demo there too. See for yourself how these tools might actually integrate with your current systems.
Good point. See it in action.
Oh, and one more thing from the original podcast might be worth mentioning.
What's that?
They hinted that if you do reach out to ASYW, letting them know you heard about them on Tech Talks, business innovation might potentially get you some kind of special offer. Worth asking, maybe.
Interesting tip. Okay, so to sort of wrap this up then, the core idea with ASYW seems to be this real focus on integrating AI tools directly into business operations.
And AI-powered marketing automation is a key example of where they're aiming to deliver pretty significant value and efficiency gains.
Right. And for you, the listener, this integrated strategy could offer a more effective and maybe just as importantly, a less overwhelming way to actually leverage AI for real business growth.
Makes the whole AI adoption thing seem a bit more manageable, perhaps.
So as you think about the future, considering how important both advanced AI and smooth operational efficiency are becoming, here's something to maybe mull over.
Yeah.
How might a platform like ASYW, with its focus on integration, fit into your longer-term business strategy? Something to really consider.